Now I'm going to show you how to change the fluorescence lamp. If you need to change the lamp, the fluorescent bulb, so it should be changed about every 2,000 hours. That's the lifetime of the bulb. And you can see the lifetime here. That's the number of hours it has been on. And you can reset it by pressing the red button here. So every time you change the bulb, you should reset it so you know how long it has been used. So for that, you need first to open the fluorescence holder. And be careful that it can be very, very hot if the lamp has been used, so just wait for it to be very cold. So then you would just unscrew these two small screws here, so you don't have to remove them, they just stay here. And then you will see the lamp here. So you will need to unplug it from this cable, so you just press both sides and you unplug it. And then you need to put it in a specific orientation. I think it can only be clipped in a specific orientation. Then, so you put it back and you plug it in here. And as I was saying, these two cables here, sometimes they are pulled out when you plug the lamp, so you have to hold them a bit in so that they are not pushed in and the contact is good. So then you just put it back by inserting it first on this side, and then you press it and you screw both. And then put that back. And that's it. And then you can check it by turning it on, of course. So now you know all about changing the fluorescence lamp. Please remember to wait for the fluorescence lamp to be cold enough so that you can remove it without burning yourself. Thanks for watching and work safely.